All right, hey, I'm Michael Clean Grout Northwest, and it is January 3rd, 2018, so Happy New Year. And one of my goals for this year is just make more high quality videos. Not that the video quality is going to be great, but just really informational. This is a shower that's in really need of restoration. The glass is probably top 10% worse what we see here on Bainbridge Island. In fact, a quick story, I went to a glass company in Paulsbo that's been in business over 60 years. I won't name names, but I showed them some pictures and I asked them if they had a company polishing glass or if they had in-house people, because I didn't want to take business from them, and showed them some pictures and they told me it couldn't be done, but the glass could not be polished. It was etched, it's damaged. But I was showing her some pictures, and they were before and after pictures of our process that I've kind of developed on my own to fix and remove this safely with a biodegradable paste. And she wasn't very happy. She was shocked, and then she was mad I wouldn't tell her what it was. But all this glass, it's probably already scratched up. A lot of house cleaners have tried things. There's a scratch right here going across. Usually people have tried steel wool is usually what does it. But all we're going to use to do this is use a 3M 4100 Super Shine pad and a biodegradable paste. In fact, it's completely non-toxic. So I probably wouldn't want my kid to eat it. Actually, it tastes kind of good. Anyways, it's completely non-toxic. There's no acids. It can go down a septic tank. Completely biodegradable. So, oh, kind of icky though. Okay, all right. So, now that I've shown, just kidding. It's safe. If Runar comes in here, I'll show some other things. Classic problems is they have these expensive growy fixtures. I think growy is German. I'm not 100% certain, but I know they're expensive, and they're completely damaged from the hard water. And this one's just been eaten away. But we're going to restore these and get them at least 95% better. The caulking that the tile guy uses is all moldy, especially in this niche. So we're going to steam clean all this and just get as clean as we can get it. And all this moldy caulking, we take the time, we cut it all out, disinfect it, and we're going to put in an epoxy grout that's going to last a lot longer and educate our client on how to keep it clean so it never gets like this again. This is a slate floor, or quartzite floor, which is slate's cousin. It's actually a very poor choice in a shower pan, but very hard, very porous. But we'll clean this up as well. A job like this will take me and Runar, who's filming, probably all day today, and then probably a couple hours tomorrow. So we'll probably have about 18 hours into the shower to restore it. But this shower, just this glass, is probably, I'd say, about $2,000 to $3,000 installed. And a tile shower like this is, they probably, when this was done, probably about $5,000, $8,000, somewhere in there. So we're talking $10,000, $12,000 for this shower and bathroom. Marble vanity. You can go ahead and film that. They don't have any pictures up or anything. The client gave me permission to make this video. Anyways, all this caulking, it just gets moldy, cracked, and we'll completely restore it. It'll look brand new, only it'll be better than brand new because the product we're going to use is way better than a cheap tube of $6 caulking. We're going to use an epoxy grout, and it's going to do wonders. So yeah, the first before video of 2018. I'll have some action shots that we'll take to show kind of how we do it. You can film our tools real quick. We got a Makita variable speed angle grinder, Easy Stone Care's no spin backer, so we can go right up to a wall. My friends Cameron DeMille and Ted McFadden patented this tool. They're who trained me how to do stone, and great guys in our industry. Cutout kit, pretty much everything we need to do the prepping part. Just utility blades. This is a diamond blade handsaw. We have a screwdriver. A lot of times we remove these drains. A bunch of flat edge razor blades and some brushes. Dental tool. So when next time you get your teeth cleaned, ask them if they have any extras. I don't recommend trying to clean your teeth with them. On your own, you will slice yourself. Don't ask my kids about that. I was trying to save some money. Just kidding. I didn't use that on my kids. I clean their teeth with that polishing paste. They don't ever need to get their teeth professionally cleaned again. And then this is my Vapor Clean steam cleaner, continuous feed, so you can fill it up. It's a model Pro 6 Duo or something like that. My friend Dan Brown of Victory Cleaning Systems in Missouri referred me to this machine, and now a bunch of people have started using these machines. They're great, really good quality. I've not had a single issue, and it gets used almost every day for the last 3 years. So, anyways, that's it for now, and we'll take another video in a bit. Thank you.